That's where we came walking from. What a place! And you know, it is raining. The weather is fantastic, guys. Good morning. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin, and I'm at one of my favorite beaches in North Goa. This area is called the Kandolim Beach Road. Once again, Anthony, this video is for you. So we are going to explore the beach road today, and as you can see, it's raining, and while riding the bike there were like fat drops of rain that was smashing on my face, but right now it's reduced a little bit. But the weather is superb, guys, superb, and we love the rain. We love the monsoon season here in Goa because of the harsh summers that we have. And this year, unfortunately, the summers went on for a long time. Okay, on the left here was a sports bar, Silver Sand Hotel. So please keep an eye, guys. When I speak about a different topic, just make sure you have a look at the place. Very nice bars and restaurants here. I'm sure many of you guys have been in this area, and Kandolim is one of my favorite places, and I'm sure many of you guys would agree as well. Let's take this ride, and it is fantastic. This place, Kandolim Tinto here, where you can buy your fruits and vegetables and fish. And am I loving this ride? Absolutely. It is amazing, guys, to ride. In this season I'm really enjoying it. On the left here is Newton, and I hope you guys are enjoying the monsoon series as well. As you can see, people are out with their umbrellas, with their raincoats. It's such a beautiful feeling to experience the monsoons in Goa at this time of the year. Wow. And it was very windy as well, but that's reduced as well. But the rain is continuing, and as you can see here, it's getting heavier. But that's okay, we are equipped for today's video, guys. And like I mentioned in my videos, when it's raining I have my waterproof camera, so that really saves the day. And because of this camera I'm able to shoot these videos and show you guys what's around in Kandolim. Okay, Lemon Tree on the right here, Republic of Noodles, so many places, park in Goa, Kandolim. So Kandolim has a mix of almost everything that you can ask for. They have the fancy hotels, they have the guest houses, they have the homestays, they have it all here. And the best part is, every time I pass by this area, it's always maintained really well, neat and clean. Yes, there are some patches of the road which are a bit rough, I would say. On the right here, Kandolim Deck. On the left here, Acacia, like you can see. Okay, we are going to skip this left, and we are going to go ahead towards Sinkeri. You have to be a bit careful of the cars with the yellow number plate. Those are the guys who drive the taxi. So yeah, they are, most of the time they are in a hurry. But anyway, the ride has been great so far. It's been beautiful, and because it rains, because it's raining, people are driving and riding slow, which is good to see. And as we always mention in our videos, guys, please make sure you wear your helmet, you carry your license, you ride slowly, safely, drive slowly and safely. And this road here straight will take us towards Sinkeri. What a fantastic feeling it is to ride in the monsoon, guys. Pavitra Puris, that was a chapel on the left. And as you can see, many of these shops that are selling clothes and bags and shorts and all of those things, they are still open. There's some work that is going on. Radisson here on the left, Beach Walk Resort by Akron on the right. I don't know, there's something about Kandolim which I like. The roads, the place, it's colorful, it's beautiful, and like I said, in most cases it's always organized. Mikey's place, very good. This restaurant here on the left, very good for Indo-Chinese cuisine, but yes, they are a bit expensive. Once in a while I do love my Indo-Chinese. Those of you who don't know what is Indo-Chinese cuisine, so basically it's a mix of Chinese, and then many years ago there were a lot of restaurants that were started in Kolkata by the second or the third generation Chinese immigrants. And as you know, in India we have the most amazing spices that you can ever ask for. I cannot imagine my food without the spices, guys. And you know, when that gets mixed with anything, be it anything, whether European Asian or any kind of cuisine, it just tastes fabulous. And Indo-Chinese is a byproduct of one of those experiments. If you haven't tried Indo-Chinese cuisine, I highly recommend it. My drug is Hakka noodles and chicken lollipop and chili chicken and Manchurian. Trust me guys, I've tried so many cuisines from all around the world, but Indo-Chinese, for someone who's born and raised in Mumbai, it just hits differently. People from Mumbai will certainly agree, and I really hope people from Mumbai get the monsoons coming their way as well. I think it has already started raining, so yeah, enjoy the monsoons guys. Wow, just look at this view. Green, beautiful villas, lovely roads. What else can you ask for? And the weather is perfect, around 25-26 degrees. I can smell the forest, I can smell the mud. There's not a forest here, but yeah, you can get those lovely fragrances from nature. And just look at this. So we have this canopy is the right word above our heads, thanks to all the trees. How important are trees guys? Whenever you pass by this road, even during summers, there's shade, and you don't feel the heat that much as you can feel in the other areas. On the right here, Taj Holiday Village Resort. Wow, they have it all here in Kandolin, and as the years pass by, you can really see the tourism grow in Kandolin. They really are a very good example to so many places in North Goa. Clean, very well organized. I really hope all the places just follow the footsteps of Kandolin. Okay, this right will take us towards Sinkeri. Let's take this right because I've already taken you guys on the left road. Let's go. So there will be parking or something ahead, but let's explore this area as well. As you can see, there are many tourists, kids, elderly tourists as well, out with their umbrellas. And this year I have noticed that many tourists have visited Goa for the monsoon. It's a nice thing to see, but guys, if you are here, please do not drink and drive. Rent-a-cars lately have gotten a very bad reputation, so please make sure that you ride or drive safely. If you are drunk, please do not go behind the wheel, behind the steering or the wheel. Don't go on the wheel, sorry, on the bike, you know what I mean to say. Yeah, so this is the parking area for Sinkeri. Let's go there. Should we go there? Yeah, let's see. Is there anyone here for parking? Pay parking, yeah. Let's park here. That's where I had parked my bike, and this here there are many stalls, and right now I'm entering this area. It's called the Lower Fort Aguada area, and there you can see the ocean. It looks so damn rough, but look at this for a scenery. What a fantastic view. As you can see here in the monsoons, Goa is green. Gentleman is returning back from fishing. That there ahead is a very good area for fishing. Let me see if I can zoom in to that area. So this entire way is like this, and this will take us towards the Lower Fort Aguada area. And as you can see, even though it's raining so much, there are still so many tourists. But how about this for a view, guys? Look at the beach there. There's nobody on the beach, and that's the complete view of the beach. Look at the waves. The waves are so damn strong. Why is my touch not working? Let me see. Let me try that. Yeah, it's because my hands have become a bit cold, so that's the reason why I'm not able to zoom in. But anyway, I'm going to walk towards that area and show you what is there ahead. And that's what I can see on my left. And as you can see, guys, the waves are so damn rough. It is extremely dangerous to be around these places, especially if you are planning to go in the water. Do not make the mistake of doing that, because just see the force of the ocean. It turns into a very wild place, especially during the monsoons. And look at this. So right now we are in the lower fort area of Aguada, and these guys have gone up there. I wonder how they've gone up there. Yeah, there are steps there. How about this for a view? So this is where the soldiers would obviously stand and have a look at the enemy. We made it towards the end, and just look at this, guys. The force of nature. You can see it here. The force of the waves is so strong. The water even came up right until here. The waves splashed right until here. And just look at the view of Kandolem beach area. As you can see here, look at this shade. Was coming here in the plan? Absolutely not. But I'm really enjoying this place, guys. Oh my god, I messed up my raincoat completely, but yeah, what a fabulous place. And that there in the distance someone is fishing, and of course when someone is fishing, you guys know I'm curious. I have to go there and see what he's caught. That's where we came walking from, all the way up until here. And I'm literally surprised because I've never been to this side. I've always been that side and gone back home, but this side as well, there is so much of space that belongs to the fort. This gentleman here, as you can see, is fishing. This is amazing, guys. I had no clue that this space is going to be this huge, and the waves, again, the waves are enormous. Wow, just look at this view. So yeah, that's the end of the lower Fort Aguada area. But just look at this hill, guys. What a view, what a view. Let's see the view from here. So people have they put these glass partitions here for obvious reasons. People climb here, and then, you know, wow, I don't even want to stand here, but just look at the force of nature, guys. The force, crazy. Beautiful cross here at the end, and just look at this amazing view that we are getting from here of the beach as well. What a place. And you know, the first thing that will always come to your mind is, back in those days, how did they even manage to build such places? Well, anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video. I know the audio was a bit low because there's water that's gone in the speaker. I've managed to remove it. I hope this one is audible, this part at least. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.